Hello student, how are you? Today we are going to learn months of the year. January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December. Once again we revise month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.